Welcome to SeamScape Pattern Studio. In this video, we'll start with the basics, points, and the coordinate system. Let's place our very first point here in the workspace. Using the Point tool, you can see its X and Y coordinates displayed in the Properties drawer, where they can also be modified. In this drawer, you can also rename a point to make it easier to remember. The x-axis goes right, the y-axis goes up, and angles follow standard polar coordinates, 0 degrees to the right, 90 up, 180 left, 270 down. Now let's add a second point, move it around, and see how its coordinates change in real time. That's it for the basics. Points are the foundation of every pattern, and now you know how to place, move, and rename them.